Hey, I wanted to make a little cool video here for you guys. What this is this is the Ridgid box. I don't know if this helps at all, this light, or not. I'll leave it off. Anyways, this is the Ridgid box that I just bought, and this thing is cool, man. I am digging it. I bought it initially for the rain to carry stuff back and forth, but the rain seemed to stop for a little bit here. But this thing is great, man, if you just need to carry some heavy stuff in, like your torches. If you need to roll them in somewhere, you just throw them in here, and you just, giddy up into the, put your torches in here, or whatever you want. Like this, I just put my evacuation stuff, because these vacuum pumps are, this vacuum pump's like freaking 30 pounds. And also, it's just kind of like my go-getter cart. What I'm doing also with it is it works like this, man. You can also put these boxes I got go in here, and the lid goes on the damn thing. And these, I'll have to measure it out. You know what? I mean, I don't own one of those Milwaukee pack-out boxes or anything, or the Milwaukee organizer, but I'll buy one tonight. I'll get a Milwaukee and see if it fits in here, because you got an extra, let's say 3 inches, because I know my middle finger from there to there is 3 inches, and that's probably all you got. So whatever the width of these Stanley boxes are, the Stanley box, here's your dimensions there. But man, this is just, this is the way I've been doing them, but I could maybe do them, I don't know if it would help, but no, I like it this way. I was thinking bookshelf, like the way Heavy Diesel was saying I should lay my stuff in my truck, put them in, bookshelf wise, and I'm gonna do that this weekend. So, but this is pretty cool, man, because you can use this as a go-getter cart. This Ridgid box, the rolly cart thing. So, just wanted to show this to you guys. I'm just finishing out my day here, but yeah. So, digging this Ridgid cart. Best, one of the best $60 I ever spent, man. $59 plus tax. So, yeah, it's rocking. Loving it. And like I said, the lid goes on this thing still too, perfectly, right here. All right, I'll get one of those other cases and try it, see how they work in there too.